Hey guys, here I am again with video number 9 for the day. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio pair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a '69 Mustang. It's now an AM FM 8-track, and this comes from Phil in North Charleston, South Carolina, and Phil has requested just the basic FM conversion wired to the original connector, so we don't get that big increase in output power, but it just plugs right back in for convenience. And so let's go ahead and run it through its paces before we send her back. I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I receive, so AM radio.
Gay nonsense, all right? Superman was not gay.
Okay, and we'll make sure that our left-right balance control still works.
And the ladies liked him.
All the way right.
Lois
left.
was insane. Lusting for him.
Okay, so
Totally
don't need that anymore. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do on this radio by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Gracias, Raúl, y gracias.
Great song. Then add another.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
If you're feeling low, if you're gonna fuck her, I whisper, what you doing to me? If your chick's flown the coop, she's classy, you smile. Go on out and have fun.
Okay, pull the tape out, radio comes back. Let's make sure the dial light comes on and off. Oh, got to do it differently on this radio. Yep, yeah, you can see the dial light, the little green glow through between the buttons, so we're good to go here. She's ready to go back. I'm probably ready to do some packing. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And off the home page of that website, please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions about my prices and options and turn times, because all those answers will be in the work order as you're filling it out. Once you've got a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you. I just don't want to waste the same 15 minutes with each new customer going over all the options I offer, their prices, blah, blah, blah. It just keeps me off the bench. And on the bench is where the work gets done. I don't get anything done on the phone, guys. So please do that research before calling me with questions. And this comes, if I didn't mention it before, comes from Philip in North Charleston, South Carolina, out of a '69 Mustang. So thank you very much for watching and listening, guys. And thank you, Philip, for your business all the way across the country. And we'll see you next time.